We're getting close to the water. You got some salt water? Here we go again. Ah, God, I'll tell you. Oh, shit. Here we go again. Whoa! This camera better be taking pictures, that's all I can say. Oh, shit. Oh, God, I think we're going to do a quick drop here. Oh, shit. Are you okay? Are you okay? Push that thing down. There you go. Is it under you? That's pretty. It's so pretty. Beautiful up here. Now they're going to do a quick drop. I'll bet you anyway. Oh, that's beautiful. Is that under your manual? Is that under your legs okay?
But that's okay. I got a wedgie.
God. Well, I'm sitting sort of like far back on mine too. Whoa! Shit, we're up there, man. Oh God, this is coming. We're coming down. Coming down fast. Oh shit. Here comes the water. I think we're gonna get a good dunk here. Oh God. Here we go. That wasn't too bad. And the water's warm. Isn't it warm? Whoa. Are you okay? Is that under your legs okay? Can you push it forward a little bit? You sure? Okay. I think we're going to get a quick drop again. What was that? Look at how frayed these lines are, for God's sake. Look at how, I'm taking a picture of how frayed they are. Jesus, you're freezing. Oh shit. Here we go again.
All right.